Hi guys, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. So today I want to share with you an unboxing of the previous Valentine's items that I have picked up over the years. It's not a whole lot, but it's probably, I'm sure, is enough. I didn't pick up quite that many items this year. I didn't want to really look at the Instagram post or videos of the Valentine's items because I didn't want to be tempted. I like decorating for Valentine's Day just because, and also because, say hi, Saya.
Hi.
And just because it's my birthday, so that's why I like to decorate for Valentine's, and I think it just makes it feel all warm and fuzzy inside, especially when it's so cold outside. So let's get started with this, and then also I wanted to stick to a budget, so I'm gonna put this on a tripod and share with you guys what's in here. So Sai's sitting over here. That's why you see this little green little person over here in his little gecko suit. Alrighty. Okay, so let's push this back. I don't remember, guys, where some of the items came from. Most of them are probably from Dollar Tree or Target One Spot. So this little picture here, that you can just stand it somewhere. And then I have this. I have used this many a times. I can't remember how I used it last year. Oh, within a wreath, but I had it in the house. And I have also used this on a wreath to hang on the door. And then I use like the cut method of the deco mesh. These are my favorite flowers. Bless you. Favorite flowers from Dollar Tree. This year they don't quite look like this. They look a little different, and these even look a little different from the previous years because I have like a little centerpiece I'll show you guys that I just keep in my craft room, but I brought it downstairs. But I have several of these. They look different this year, so I didn't get any. But these are my favorite, and this is the only time you can get these with the white ones with the little tips of the red, and it looks like it's a hint of, what you doing? A little hint of pink. And then I have 3 of these. I don't know if they even came out with these and this year, and I can't remember if it was Christmas these came out or either Valentine's. I want to say Valentine's Day because I didn't see them Christmas this year. And these are the little LED ones that come from Dollar Tree. A lot of these things Dollar Tree has it every year anyway. They had this came back from Dollar Tree this year with the love, with the galvanized metal here with a little hook. I don't know, guys, did this come out this year? I think it did. With the love, with the gold foiling, the glitter heart from Dollar Tree. And this came from the Target One Spot. Oh, it has mold on it. Let's see if I can wash that.
Can I see it?
Right there. Jason and I cleaned out the garage, and we saw that some of the items, like some of my Easter stuff, had mold on it, but it didn't have like lids on it, but this did. So let me put this over here. So I'm surprised that that has mold on it. I don't know, and nothing else does. Here's a gift bag that I have. Maybe somebody put it in there, I don't know. Another little gift bag. I can't remember if I saw these this year. Love is all you need. I don't think I saw this year. I know I didn't see this year from the Dollar Tree. Really cute. You can cut these off, guys, and put it on a container. Glue it on all 4 sides. That's what I did one year. And then I had this for a very long time. I think my Valentine's Tablescape, my very first year on YouTube. And now it's like a tangled mess, but I still like it. Are you kicking my tripod? And I think I got this from Target or Walmart or something. I don't think it came from Dollar Tree. But this is, if I can straighten it, this is really cute to like put on a tablescape or something. I made this banner one year, and it says "Be Mine." This actually came from Target One Spot, Bullseye Playground, and then I added the tassels in. I think I did a video on it. Okay, sorry I hit the tripod. So this is very easy to do. I think I did a video on that. And what did you have, Sai, in your hand? These little roses. These are the ones that I hauled in a Dollar Tree haul. Yeah, these look like a little bit better material than the ones they have this year. But I really like these. They're really pretty in a vase. I have several of these. I have this little angel that I got from Dollar Tree. I don't remember if it was Valentine's Day or Christmas or something, but I like that. It has a little heart with the angel. I love angels. And then this little red one. This actually was Christmas time, but I must have placed it in here. Sometimes if it looks like this and it's transitioned from Christmas to Valentine's, I will either put in either bin. And then this XOXO, I got this from the Target One Spot one year. And then I have the one here, Love, but I keep this one in my craft room. So some flowers or roses I keep in my craft room as decor. And I decided I'll pull it down here. I have another little box that says You and Me. I had this one for a minute. Sorry guys, you hear my washing machine. I tend to block that out, but you guys can hear everything in the video. This one here that says Love Sweet Love. So really, in my Dollar Tree haul, I didn't need that one that I picked up that's similar to this for a wreath. Here is some more of those jars. I have 3 of them because I did a DIY on it like long time ago for Christmas. I need to remember, I'm so lazy about putting the cards up here to previous videos. I need to get better at that. Here's another banner that says Love. Even though I use this for a Christmas centerpiece DIY, you can make you a Valentine's centerpiece. I have some more of these petals. I think I had these for several years and haven't used them. And then these little candlesticks. I have used these for Christmas too. What you doing, man?
Just looking.
You just looking? Here are the ones that I cut up that year to place on the jars. But I use hot glue, and the hot glue doesn't adhere too well to this material and the glue. I mean the glass jar. So, I don't know. You can try it yourself and see. Look, I'm missing something. Oh, no, I'm not. It's called Table Scatter. Let's see if I can get one out to show everybody. Okay, then I have some of these table scatters. It was like all in my box. You what?
I'm trying to sew into it.
And then I have a lot of these. You better stop. They don't want to see that close up. Your silly self. What are you doing? Silly. And these little roses here. I lost my concentration. I have a bunch of these. And I think that's all that's in here, guys. It's just duplicates of other stuff. So another candle. Saya. And then I have a plastic tablecloth that I'll probably have forever. This welcome here. And this MDF wood stuff. This welcome sign that I had forever. I think the very first time I started hauling on Dollar Tree. It's hard to show this up close. But it says welcome. That's cute to embellish with some deco mesh or something. And then I have a lot of these little plastic, I guess you put treats in them. And they say different things like be mine, you're great, and stuff like that. And that's it, guys. It's still more stuff, but it's like roses, candles, and a lot of these other little things in there. So this was a little different. I wanted to always do this for my Christmas stuff or fall stuff. I never did it. But I thought this was really fun to do for Valentine's Day. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Oh, let me show you what else. And these I can use for Valentine's decor. I keep these up in my craft room. That's my planner stuff over there. And then these here. So these are maybe the very first year, these little flowers, but they look so different. They look different this year. And then this little holder came from the Target One Spot years ago. So I keep these in my craft room. Not down here all the time. And I can incorporate that for Valentine's decor. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.